Bombay Beach, California is known for its decaying infrastructure, unique art installations, and the impact of the Salton Sea's environmental issues. It's also a place where artists and others have found a sense of community among the ruins. The town is located on the Salton Sea, a highly saline, shrinking lake. It's the lowest community in the United States, situated 223 feet below sea level. The area is characterized by its desert environment with decaying buildings and infrastructures. The Salton Sea's environmental problems, including rising salinity and receding shoreline, are a major factor shaping Bombay Beach. The town has become a canvas for art, with sculptures and installations often made from salvaged materials. Despite the challenges, Bombay Beach fosters a strong sense of community among its residents and visitors, particularly those involved in the art scene. Bombay Beach is sometimes referred to as a ghost town due to its declining population and abandoned structures. The town's unique character and blend of decay and creativity make it an oddity, attracting curious visitors. The remnants of a once thriving resort town evoke a sense of forgotten dreams and unrealized potential. Bombay Beach is a place where people are reimagining the possibilities of life in a challenging environment. So come along with us as we explore the quirky, artistic community on the edge of the polluted Salton Sea of Bombay Beach. Welcome to the Salton Sea. We're in Bombay Beach. Come on in.
Come on in. Okay. So if you need to make a phone call here,
Phone call.
just bring your own phone.
Hello, is anybody there?
Yep.
I think we're at the dead Salton Sea.
We just heard this is the lowest nightclub.
Sorry, go ahead.
So we're gonna go down.
Where those boxes are. Off the wind. Water crates.
So here we are. Lowest elevation nightclub.
Add this one. They're all flip-flops forever.
Flip flop. Hey, there's that fish from The Simpsons. Ew. This almost looks like it might have been a service station or something. Some kind of business anyways, I would imagine. I think they're painting on this one. Or someone's living in there. They left me.
Hope you're getting this because I'm not getting any.
So was this a gated community at one time?
Yeah, something like that. Estate.
Hey. Where in the world do they find stuff like this? Crazy. I think I'm lost again. Am I lost again, Kevin?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Try that house there.
House.
Next to the, what is that? A Firebird or something?
Looks like an old Jaguar or something.
Javelin.
So this house?
You're in somebody's house right here.
Yeah. It was a house once upon a time. Yeah.
Well, there's the coffin.
Yep. He must be out and about today. That's where Dracula used to spend his days.
There's something in the shape of a coffin in there, but it's just the bottom piece is like the shape of a coffin, but not deep enough, and the body is now
That one's
wandering somewhere.
really cool in there. They've got all of these.
I wonder if they're hanging all the underwear in it.
Not yet, no.
Yeah. Well, they collected the trash. They put it in a bag, but then they just left it there to deteriorate, which is kind of sad. But they did try to collect it, I guess. You know, looks like it was in a bag at some point.
Oh yeah, somebody just, well, probably somebody got their own trash and then just dumped it there. Could be.
Ooh.
What? Yeah. I don't saw it. Oh yeah, see if it'll turn on.
Okay, we're gonna go over here and check this boat out. We love our boats. This one still has a trailer, so I think we can haul this out of here. Oops. Oh yeah, we could rejuvenate this boat. We got leaf springs and coil springs. Got this fine camper over here. Oh, something happened to that one.
Just go through the water and park on the right.
No, it's too wet over there.
Okay, well then just park somewhere over here while I get out and take pictures.
Bombay Beach Museum of Bombay. This is a museum.
People can go around.
I'm sure it'll be
They
fine,
can.
huh? I like the there's a peak.
I'm gonna get adventurous and climb over them tires.
Off you go.
Nope.
That'll take you down to the beach.
I like the old taxi, that's cool. I like that red one as well. I think. Oh no, that's the one I got last time, all the wires. I really like that.
Did you hear Kat? She called that car old. Where we come from, they still drive them and are proud of them. The old Lincoln Town car. I have no idea what that is. What is? This place. Huh. Old shop. Oh, like that old Bombay Beach style fish. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, we gotta go see the drive-in. I gotta see that. It's so cool they did this in here. Woohoo. Yeah. Okay, I'm going up. Hey. Chess game, anyone? That's like the world's biggest chess set.
Well, I'd get that can. What does it plays?
That guy's waving at me on the roof.
Yes, we did. We're Easterners.
It's the world's biggest chess set.
Are you up there? Oh, we gotta go. Let's go. Hold on.
There's Kevin way down there.
Coming over? Or is he being wrong?
Got solar on that there rig. We love that bus over there. Hey, we're at the famous Bombay Beach drive-in. I'm gonna find me a new vehicle in here. I see a Pacer. As we're scrolling through here, you guys can throw names out of some of these vehicles. No hint, Plymouth. And we got the old theater seating. You guys don't have to guess this one. Everyone knows what these are. I want to know what that one over there is, though. Someone lived in this one. Do you want to read the Da Vinci fish sign? Okay. As I'm taking a video. So the Da Vinci fish is a collaborative work by 5 artists. The sculpture is over 40 feet long with a 44-foot wingspan. It's mounted 12 feet up on a vertical axle so it moves with the wind. The tail is articulated so it moves back and forth. The idea for the Da Vinci fish to appear to be in a state of repair while it's having a Da Vinci workshop look to it. It took about 8 months to fabricate all the parts.
Oh, that's cool.
Very cool. So the tail moves.